Hi everyone, my name is Andrejs Doronins and welcome to my course Java Refactoring to Design Patterns. Any serious software project accumulates technical debt over time. You and your team may know and apply some clean code and even solid principles, but despite that, code maintenance is still a burden. Your project probably faces common challenges, and these challenges can be solved with common solutions, otherwise known as design patterns. But there are dozens of them, so how do you get started when you're short on time? I'm here to offer a practical crash course on how to convert typical problematic code that you find in most projects into clean and organized code using the most frequent and useful design patterns. Some of the major topics that we will cover include encapsulating object creation with factories, eliminating conditional complexity with behavioral patterns, improving your code with structural patterns, and exploring alternatives to object-oriented patterns in general. By the end of this course, you will have the ability to convert clunky and difficult to maintain code into elegant and flexible software. Before beginning the course, you should have some professional experience with Java in any IDE such as IntelliJ or Eclipse, and be able to write object-oriented code by applying the basics of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. It would also be helpful if you know the basics of Java 8 API, specifically streams and lambdas. I hope you'll join me on this journey to better code quality with the course Java Refactoring to Design Patterns at Pluralsight.